Brian sells me. Next up, 8:30. Vocabulary, tier 2. Diagram, Tim, engraving, perk, inscription. Vocabulary, tier 3. Eliminated, fill housing, North Star. Collator, author, burrito, Swiss.
All right, go ahead and give Shadeja 2 claps. Thank you, Shadeja. Now, on today, Shadeja has already set the tone by looking at our focus wall. What we are going to do, we're going to compare and contrast some characters and look at how they are alike and different. Our anchor text, Wonderstruck, by Brian Selznick. Now, Shadeja gave us some vocabulary words that I picked out for you all. But as you are reading, you may come across some other words that are not familiar to you. And when you come across words that are not familiar, what are you supposed to do? Braden?
Use your text annotation marks.
Use your text annotation marks. So you're going to put the mark by it that lets you know that it is an unfamiliar word to you. But then what else are you going to do after you use your text annotation? Janaya?
Look up the word.
Look up the word. You need to find out the meaning of that word. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our close reading. And what does it mean to close read a text? What are we trying to do as we close read? Close read. Shadeja?
To read, to uncover a meaning that led to deep comprehension.
Okay? We're looking for that deeper comprehension. Okay? What else can you tell me, Christopher?
To read only a certain part of a passage or story, and so you can get a better understanding and comprehension of what's going on right then and there.
Okay? You only reading a specific part, an excerpt, so that you can get a better understanding of that portion. We are only going to read the first few chapters of this book, Wonderstruck, so that we can understand the way that these characters interact with each other and compare and contrast them. I have this book here, so in the future, if you would like to go ahead and continue on and figure out what happens with these characters, you can take it and read it at your own leisure. So, in your groups, we're going to do our literature circles today. You have your tools. Go ahead and hold your tools up. We need to use these as we discuss. Ask questions about the text. Okay? You have your passage. What I want you to do first, you're going to read for enjoyment. That's the close reading. Just to read to see what is actually going on in the text. And then we're going to go and uncover those deeper levels. So, at this time, go ahead and get started in your literature circles with the reading of Wonderstruck.
Wonderstruck. What everyone else on young people's name knew that Ben had been born deaf in one ear, but he still thought it was funny to ask Ben this all the time. Even in the middle of the night, he repeated himself to Ben. I said, stop yelling in my sleep.
In the corner of the room, Robbie hunting rifle, Adam about where his fishing rod, pocket knife, bow, arrows, handmade spears, and slingshots
In the corner of the room, Robert
were varying sizes. Robbie seemed to grow old cot squeezed between their dresser and the window. The electric fan was broken. Boys were shirtless and sweating in the sun. Their blankets were thrown uselessly to the side. Their hair was matted to their foreheads. Ben's hands were still shaking from the dream. Ever since they exited, the wolves had appeared, galloping across the moonlit snow, red tongues wagging and white teeth glistening. He couldn't figure out why they were stopping, because he grew up. He and his mom had kept everyone once from the front porch of their house. The wolf had been beautiful and mysterious.
Anything so far?
I read that at the beginning of the story, it was talking about how his cousin Robbie always used to ask him what happened. Because his cousin Robbie know that he was born with a deaf in one ear. And he always like to ask him, can you hear? He always asks him that all the time. And then ever since the car accident, he been thinking about war.
Words still shaking from the dream. Even Robbie and he noticed that his death. And so the woman said, when he showed her the book, just like the love story at Big Boy, his mom smiled and put it to and going to the door next to her desk. Unlike the refrigerator at home, it had just one cold
His coat for his red plastic flashlight and the wood bottle he kept getting there.
What have we come up with so far for our annotation? Anything you want to share? Okay.
Some annotation marks that we made was Russell, flopping, doubting,
So you have some vocabulary words. Scavenge and run to. Any other annotations that you can subsided. Anything that you found interesting. Find that information, interesting things.
Time he looked through his telescope after that, he had the same thought I had. Then put the bumpy gray stone back in the park. They heard school from the park.
Hey, what sounded interesting that you find?
Over the smooth stone,
Okay. Personal experience with that?
he found it was amazing.
Okay, make a connection with it. Molly?
Now identified 23 different species just by looking at their bones. In the book about the birds in Minnesota, he come across a
Okay.
different
So he leaning his good ear on his hand, I mean that.
Dorian mom, he asked, his own boy was away. His mom was hanging up on himself and said, she thought about it. The more being read about the museum collection, the more she wanted to go to bed. She begged her for once until one day she said, is that what you want for your birthday this summer? I shook it up. Yes, then Peggy jumped to me. I know I'm with her. Don't get too excited about it, we'll see.
Ben moved his hand across his eye, as he were rubbing away the vision of doom. He put the bird skull back into the box and one of the time he had spent in his mom's library after school, reading upon birds or outer space in the museum. If there had only been there the day of the accident, instead of sitting home.
artists in town had made
He wished he could go back in time. Ben took a deep breath and closed his eyes, knowing he would never go to it.
for
His aunts and uncle came
Christmas last year. The box, flashlight, and two suitcases full of his where the only thing he bought
the one time he had around
him
to his mom. He tightened his ponytail a few times and then undid.
then turn on the flashlight
pulled a key from the pocket of his pants, which lay folded on the floor, and opened the small brass lock on the front of the box, one at a time. He touched the little items inside. He had organized them between.
What I need you to do, you're in these different groups now. You're going to share the annotations that you came up with your literature circles with this new team that you have. You're going to pay careful attention to any characters that you came across in addition to those other. Okay, now at this time, we're going to start with this spatula table and then the whisk table. What I want you to do is to go and put your sticky notes up on the board as we wrap up today's lesson about our characters, annotations, everything associated with that first read. And the first time we read, the purpose of that is what? What's the purpose of that first read? What are we trying to do?
We read it for fun.
Ready for fun.
You try to get a better understanding of it?
The first time, we actually read it for fun. It's for our joy.
Get a better understanding.
A better understanding of it. So today, we just wanted to read it for enjoyment and look at some annotations and some characters. So spatula table. Go ahead and stick your post-it note underneath the characters. Whisk table. Come up and stick your characters underneath there. Now, Shadasia is going to come up and look at what those two tables put, and she's going to read the characters that they came up with.
For the spatula